On QVC, and Thomas is with us, and genuinely right on.
Upstaged by an egg cooker, love that.
I can be upstaged by anything.
Fair.
It's not difficult. This is genius. I got this a few years back under a different item number it was, because it is now back with 3 different colour options there for you. £30 the price. 2 reviews on this. They're both 5 stars. Easy pace of £7.50. It's brilliant. If you love a boiled egg, or maybe going through to a hard-boiled egg,
Yeah.
this is the answer.
It is. You know, boiling an egg is an art. And
Yeah.
you know, it's taken the art form out of it and made it easy and accessible for everyone to do.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. You do 6 eggs at a time, and we're going to show you straight away. This, you might have just heard that. It just popped up and binged and went, oh, soft-boiled egg. It tells you when the egg is cooked and how the egg is cooked. So that just ticks along. In another 2 or 3 minutes, it'll say medium-boiled and then hard-boiled. But our soft-boiled egg is done. So hopefully, in theory, we should be able to just crack this. Now, be careful when you first take it out, because they are hot.
Sure.
It does get nice and hot in there. You know, that is already quite steaming hot. But you can see there should, technically, hopefully, nice oozy shot of egg yolk. He's got it!
Look at that.
I'll say I've got it. I didn't cook it. The egg cooker cooked it. If you want perfectly dippy eggs,
yes.
lovely soft golden yolks, these eggs...
Let's have a go.
There's nothing better
It's
than
like being a kid again, isn't it?
There's nothing better than nothing.
You
dippy
can't
egg and
beat
salt.
it. Look at that.
That's it. Knock yourselves out getting on the phone lines. We're going to sit here and eat dippy eggs and soldiers. They're so good. But perfectly cooked, isn't it? The white is cooked through, sorry. The white is cooked through, delicious. And the egg is lovely, the egg yolk is lovely and soft, yolky, delicious. But it ticks along. Perhaps you want to do a tuna niçoise salad, which requires a hard-boiled egg. Then you just leave it, and it will tell you when the hard-boiled eggs are done and ready to do as well. Let me show you how easy it is to use, because it is brilliant. Please. Basically, first thing you do, the front of the unit, you've got this little measuring cup here. So you just take that out. Be careful when you do, because on the bottom is this little prick. Basically, what you do is you just stab that into the top of the egg like so, just to pierce it, and that will stop the egg from cracking. And so you pop that into the machine like so. Hang on 2 seconds. Take this off. There's your egg carrier there. You pop that into there. So, you know, we do 2 or 3 eggs here. Again, little prick in the top. Proper little prick in the top there. And that's that. So they're all pierced. They're not going to crack. Then you use the same little measuring jug that we've got here, and we're going to fill this up with water twice, Charlie. So there's a little line on it. We just top it up, and you do 2 of these, and you pour it straight into the egg tray like thus.
It's like being at home seeing this. It's brilliant.
And that, pretty much, once that's done, you pop the lid on, you press the button, it does a little tune, and now leave it. Walk away, and in about 6 or 7 minutes' time, it will pop up and make a little ding again, and it will say soft-boiled egg, and you will get perfect dippy egg results, just like we saw just a moment ago. Cooked to perfection.
It's
and
amazing.
Tells you, there's
it
no guesswork.
Really is.
And it's ready to go straight away.
Yeah.
And there is nothing
Go on.
better. Go on, you've got
Are you going to have first dip? Can I have first dip?
You go for it. You dip the egg first. I'll go second.
Oh, come on.
Look at that. Oh, no. Having trouble with your egg there, Charlie?
Oh, look at that.
Look at
You
that.
tuck in, mate. I'm going to read this review. 2 reviews there, both 5 stars. Absolutely love this amazing talking egg cooker. Ordered the butter colour as it matched my kitchen beautifully. It is so simple to use. It cooked my eggs perfectly with no fuss. The talking feature is very useful. I knew exactly when to take my eggs out. It's also very entertaining. Isn't that brilliant?